recorded. It was part one. I forgot to say it, but anyways, boom. Oh my gosh, I'm scared of the dark, Mama. It's okay. We got a mini light. Let me go find it. Here. She went to the kitchen. Mommy, where you went? Where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Where you go? La 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 la. Oh, I'm so. By the way, the daughter's name is Pixie, and her name is I don't know. I can go to my post and then comment a name for her. For her. If you don't, I'm gonna eat you tonight. Mwah. Wait. Okay. Anyways, on to the role play. Pix. Pretend she's calling out the kitchen. Pixie. Yeah. Did you? Did you eat? Oh my god. Did you? Oh my god. I keep stopping because I'm a Samsung iPad. Not iPad, tablet. I don't know. Anyways, the record is still there. That's why I keep stopping because it keeps fading away. Why did he eat the chocolate? That was obviously that was obviously the pigeon. How would the pigeon come to a house and eat the chocolate? Huh? I don't know. I'm coming. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom! I wasn't saying the boom, but I was saying about the thunderstorm. Boom! I'm looking out the window. Oh my god, it's hail.